New York is a fast-paced city where having reliable auto insurance isn't just an option, it's a must. Whether you're navigating heavy traffic, dealing with unpredictable weather, or looking for affordable coverage, finding the right insurance provider can be challenging. In today's video, we're going to take an in-depth look at Countrywide Auto Insurance, a company that has been serving New York drivers for decades. We'll explore its pricing, financial ratings, customer reviews, and more to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. So if you want to find the best auto insurance rates, make sure to check out autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare insurance rates and find the best deals. Before choosing an insurance provider, it's important to understand its history and approach. So, who exactly is Countrywide Insurance? Founded in 1963, Countrywide Insurance has remained a family-owned company, serving drivers exclusively in New York. Their approach prioritizes in-person interactions through a network of independent brokers, offering a level of personal service that's becoming increasingly rare in today's digital-first world. But what about the overall cost? For drivers with a clean record, Countrywide offers competitive pricing, averaging just $55 per month for coverage. That makes it an affordable option in the NYC metro area, combining personal service with budget-friendly rates. Looking for reliable, affordable auto insurance? Head over to autoinsurance.org. Using our free comparison tool, you can compare rates and find the perfect plan tailored to your needs. When evaluating an insurance provider, it's essential to weigh both the positives and potential negatives to make an informed decision. First, let's talk about the positives. One major strength of Countrywide is their agents' in-depth knowledge of New York City. They understand the city's traffic, weather, and local laws, which helps them offer tailored advice. This expertise makes them a reliable choice for drivers in the area. Next, Countrywide offers a wide variety of commercial auto policies. Whether you have a fleet of vehicles, run a delivery service, or manage a taxi business, they have specialized coverage for each need. This flexibility is a big plus for business owners. Another advantage is their face-to-face customer service. Many insurers rely on digital or phone support, but Countrywide offers in-person consultations. This personalized service ensures that customers receive tailored assistance when choosing the right policy. Now let's look at some of the cons. One limitation is that Countrywide's service area is restricted to just the state of New York. This means that if you move outside this region, you may need to find a new provider. Another downside is their limited bundling options for non-auto policies. If you want to combine your auto insurance with home or life insurance, Countrywide doesn't offer many choices. This lack of bundling could prevent some customers from saving money. So, Countrywide excels with its local expertise and personalized service. However, if you're looking for broader coverage or more flexibility, other insurers might be a better fit. It's important to weigh these factors when making your decision. Ready to find the best auto insurance for your needs? Visit autoinsurance.org today and use our free comparison tool to compare quotes and secure the coverage that fits your lifestyle. Auto insurance can be a major expense, but what if you could lower your monthly premium and keep more money in your pocket? Well, with Countrywide Auto Insurance, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. Countrywide understands that every dollar counts, so they offer a variety of discounts designed to save you money. Let's take a closer look at the top discounts that could make a big difference in your premium. First up, the Safe Driver Discount. If you maintain a clean driving record, you could save up to 30% on your premium. The longer you go without an accident or a moving violation, the bigger the savings, rewarding you for being a responsible driver. Next, we have the Anti-Theft Devices Discount. By installing approved anti-theft devices in your vehicle, you could earn a 25% discount on your policy. Not only does this help protect your car from theft, but it also shows your commitment to safety, which translates to lower insurance costs. And finally, there's the Good Student Discount. If you're a student with a B average or higher, you can save up to 25%. This is Countrywide's way of rewarding students for their hard work in school, making it easier to afford quality insurance coverage. These discounts add up to serious savings, especially if you're a safe driver, have an anti-theft device, or are a student excelling in school. Countrywide is committed to helping you keep more money in your pocket. Ready to save on your auto insurance? Head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare rates, explore more discounts, and find the best coverage for your needs. Choosing the right business insurance provider isn't just about price. It's about reliability, customer satisfaction, and financial strength. Before committing to a policy, it's important to see how an insurer performs across key areas. Let's take a closer look at how Countrywide Insurance measures up. First, we have the J.D. Power Rating, which scores Countrywide at 789 out of 1,000, indicating below average satisfaction. This means that policyholders have had mixed experiences with claims processing and service quality. While it meets basic expectations, there's definitely room for improvement. Next, let's talk about the Better Business Bureau, BBB, where Countrywide earns a B rating, which reflects fair business practices. It indicates that while the company addresses complaints, some customers report unresolved issues. It's a decent score, but suggests some inconsistency in handling concerns. Now looking at consumer reports, Countrywide receives a 64 out of 100, indicating poor customer reviews. This rating suggests that customer feedback is generally negative, with some concerns about policy clarity and claims processing. If customer service is a top priority for you, this might be something to consider. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, rates Countrywide with a complaint index of 3.21, indicating more complaints than the industry average. This means that more customers than usual have filed complaints about their experiences, particularly with claims and policy management. Finally, AM Best, which assesses the financial strength of insurance companies, rates Countrywide at C++, indicating marginal financial stability. While the company can meet basic financial obligations, it may have limited capacity to handle widespread claims or economic downturns. So what does all this mean for business owners? Countrywide Insurance presents a mixed track record with some stability but noticeable shortcomings in customer satisfaction, complaint frequency, and financial strength. If you're looking for a provider that consistently delivers top-tier service, it may be worth exploring other options. Want to find the best business insurance provider for your needs? Head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool today to compare insurance rates and explore coverage options. Choosing the right auto insurance provider is a crucial decision that impacts both your finances and your peace of mind. Countrywide offers affordability and local expertise, making it a solid choice for New York drivers who value personal service. However, its limited service area, lack of bundling options, and mixed customer satisfaction ratings are factors to consider before making a final decision. If you found this video helpful, click the like button so we know we're providing the information you need. Leave a comment below to share your experiences or tips on finding the best auto insurance. Share this video with friends and family who might be looking for better coverage options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews, money-saving tips, and the latest updates on auto insurance. The right insurance will give you peace of mind, so always compare rates and read reviews before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.